Join your hands together in front of your heart center. Then close your eyes. We'll start with Ashtanga opening mantra. Repeat after me. Vande Gurunam Charanarvinde Sandarbsita Swatma Sukha Bhavode Nishreyasre Janglika Yamane Sansara Hala Halamo Santyane Abahu Purushakaram Sankrichakra Siddharinam Sahasrasiv Samsvetam Pranamami Patanjalim Now bow your head down. Pray to the God for today's practice, for today's energy. Open your eyes while blinking. And then namaste to everyone. Okay, so let's begin with sun salutation A. As you inhale, stretch your arms up over the head. Fix your gaze on your palm. Exhale, bend forward, hands on the floor. Inhale, halfway look up. And then exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog, knees, thighs off the floor. Exhale, roll back on your toes for the downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now hold there for 5 Ujjayi breaths. 1. Press your palms on the floor, reach your tailbone high. 2. 3. Make sound through your breath. Ocean sound. 4. 5. Now jump forward for the halfway look up. Exhale, completely bend down. Inhale, stretch your arms over the head. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now again, take your arms up over the head. Exhale, bend forward, hands on the floor. Inhale, halfway look up, take a finger to support. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Pull your abdomen in as you inhale there. 1. Keep pressing your fingertips down. 2. Roll your shoulders outward. 3. Bring that all consciousness in your breath. 4. 5. Now jump forward for the halfway look up. Spine straight. Exhale, completely bend forward. Inhale, stretch your arms over the head. Exhale, Samasthiti. Good job. Now third round, inhale. Again, take your arms up over the head. Exhale, bend forward, hands on the floor. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. And then exhale, downward facing dog. Stay there again. 1. Keep pulling your hips up towards the ceiling. 2. Press your fingertips down. 3. 4. 5. Now jump forward for the halfway look up. Exhale, completely bend down. Inhale, stretch your arms over the head. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now fourth round. Inhale. Again, take your hands up over the head. Look at your palm. Exhale, bend forward with a straight spine. Inhale, halfway look up. And then exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. And then exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Spread your fingers out, pressing from the outer edges of your palms on the floor. Rotate your shoulders out for 3 more counts. 2, 1. Now jump forward for the halfway look up. Exhale, bend forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, Urdhva Vrikshasana, stretch your arms over the head. Exhale, Samasthiti. So let's do Sun Salutation B. Now bend your knees, keep your hands on the floor, beside of your feet. Inhale, stretch your arms over the ear for chair pose, Utkatasana. Exhale, bend forward, hands on the floor. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog, swing yourself forward. Exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now step your right leg forward, arms up for the warrior A. Veerbhadrasana A. Press your back leg on the floor. Exhale, place your hands on the floor, either side of your right leg. Step back, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now step your left leg forward, arms up over the head. Veerbhadrasana A from your left side. Exhale, again hands on the floor. Jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stay there for 5 counts. 1, 2, make sound through your breath. Forcefully exhale. 3, 4, 5. Now jump forward for the halfway look up. Exhale, completely bend down. Inhale, Utkat Asana, chair pose. Stretch your arms. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now second round, again, hands touched on the floor. Inhale, sweep your arms up for the chair pose, Utkatasana. Exhale, again hands on the floor. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. And then exhale, downward facing dog. Now step your right leg forward, arms up. Warrior A. Exhale, hands on the floor. Again, step back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now left leg forward, arms up for the warrior A from your left leg. Exhale, again hands on the floor. Jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And then down dog. Stay there, pedal out your legs if you get tired. And then hold. 1. Keep breathing and out. 2, 3. That's okay if you get tired. Rest in child pose. 4. If you get tired then. And 5. Now jump forward for the halfway look up. Exhale, completely bend forward. Inhale for the chair pose. Stretch your arms. Exhale, Samasthiti. So let's start with fundamental postures. Come up into Samasthiti. With the next inhalation, jump out according to the hip distance. Keep your hands on the waist. Inhale, lift your head up. Make an arch on your back. Exhale, completely bend forward from your hip joint. Bend forward. Now grab your big toes with your both hands. Inhale, again halfway look up. Hit your elbows out. Exhale and then drop your head down. Keep bending forward. Look at your nose. Fix your gaze there. and then hold. 1. You can slightly bend your knees if you are having a lot of tension on your hips or your hamstring. 2. 3. With every exhalation, keep getting deeper into the posture. 4. 5. Inhale, halfway look up, and then exhale, take your both hands underneath your both feet. Again, halfway look up again. Exhale, again bend your elbows, lower your head down. 1. 2. like थोड़ा कम खोलो, आपने बहुत ज़्यादा खोलो. 3. 4. 5. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, palms on the waist. Now with the next inhalation, all the way come up high, and then exhale, Samasthiti. So let's start with next posture is triangle pose. Now bend your right leg at the knee, palms on the waist. Now with the next exhalation, inhalation, send your right leg back, spread your arms out to the side. Now turn your right foot out, left foot in. Now look front to your right palm. Now go far forward towards your right hand, stretch, stretch, and then exhale, place your right hand on your right leg or on the floor, wherever it's comfortable. And then take your left hand up over the head and then hold. 1. 2. Keep opening your hip out. Push. Keep engaging. 3. 4. Fix your gaze on your palm. Inhale. And 5. Inhale again. Back to the center. Arms extended out. Exhale. Left leg turned out. Right foot turned in. Now again go far forward towards your left hand. Stretch. Keep extending forward. Exhale. Left hand on the floor on your left foot, wherever is comfortable. And then open your chest out and then hold. 1. Inhale. And then twist. 2. 3. Go slow. 4. And 5. Inhale. Come back to the center. And then exhale. Turn your left foot in, right foot out. Just decrease the distance between your both legs. Now keep your hips square towards your right leg. Stretch your left hand up over the head. Exhale, revolve triangle pose. Bend forward, halfway look up, and then place your left hand either side of your right leg according to the flexibility of your hip joint. Now stretch your other arm over the head and then twist your spine and hold. Again, 1. Keep twisting. 2. 3. Press your back outer edge of your foot on the floor. 4. And 5. Inhale, back to the center. Spread your arms out. Exhale, turn your right foot in, left foot out. Now again, keep your hips square towards your left leg. Right arm up over the head. Exhale, bend forward, halfway look up. Keep reaching your right arm forward and then place your right hand on the floor. Now with the next inhalation, twist your spine, reach your left hand up and then hold. 1. Breathe in and then exhale there. 2. 3. Back leg or turn in karo. In. 4. बहुत बढ़िया. Keep reaching up. 5. Inhale again, come back to the center. And then exhale, step your right leg forward beside of your left leg into Samasthiti. So now side angle pose. Parsvakonasana. Again bend your right leg at the knee. With the next inhalation, send your right leg back more than 1 leg distance apart. Now turn your right foot out, left foot in. Now stretch your arms like a warrior, like a chair pose. Triangle pose. Now reach your right hand forward towards your right side and then bend your right leg at the knee, and then place your right hand on the floor. Swing your left hand up over the ear, and then look at your left palm. Hold. 1. नहीं, इसको और पीछे लाओ, और पीछे, और पीछे. 2. बेंड करो इसको बेंड करो, फ्रंट लेग बेंड करो. 3. इसको फ्लोर में रखो, लेफ्ट हैंड अप ओवर द ईयर. 4. कीप ओपनिंग. 5. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale, switch on the other side. Turn your right foot in, left foot out. Now again go far forward towards your left hand. Stretch your left hand forward, then bend your left leg at the same time. Now stretch your right arm up over the ear and then hold. 1, 2, 3. Look at your palm, fix your gaze. 4 and 5. Inhale again, back to the previous position, and then turn your left foot in, right foot out. So from there we will do revolved side angle pose. Now drop your back knee on the floor, drop your left knee on the floor, stretch your left hand up over the ear, and then exhale, hook your left elbow on your right knee, join your hands together. Now lift your back knee off the floor and then look up high, and then keep pressing your both hands against each other. Lift your back knee and then hold. 1. If you can press your back heel on the floor, press. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, let's do it from the other side. Turn your left foot out, right foot in, and then again drop your back knee on the floor. Stretch your right arm up over the head. Exhale, hook your right elbow on your left knee, join your hands together, press your hands against each other, find the stability there. Then lift your back knee off the floor, keep that leg straight. Again look up high and then hold. 1. Keep twisting out with every exhalation. 2. Breathe in and then exhale. 3. Other side. 4, 5. Inhale, again back to the center. Exhale, step your right leg forward into Samasthiti. Now Prasarita Padottanasana or wide leg forward bend. Now bend your right leg at the knee. With the next inhalation, send your right leg back according to the openness of your hips. Okay? Now keep your both feet parallel to the floor, parallel to each other. Keep your feet parallel to each other. Listen to me properly. Keep your feet parallel to each other. Parallel means parallel ऐसा होता है, ठीक है? एक दूसरे के straight होना चाहिए. तो parallel आपके outer edges of your feet should be parallel to each other. Now inhale, stretch your arms to the side. Exhale, again palms on the waist. Now lift your head up as you inhale. Exhale, completely bend forward from your hip joint. Then place your both hands in between your both legs. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, flatten your palms and then lower your crown of the head down on the floor. Stretch and then hold. Keep pressing your heels on the floor and hold. 1. Keep bending forward. 2. 3, 4 and 5. Inhale, come up high. Now take your hands on the waist. Inhale again, all the way come up high. Stretch your arms to the side. Exhale, Samasthiti. So let's finish today's class. Join your hands together in front of your heart center. Then close your eyes. Now we'll finish today's class with Ashtanga closing mantra. Repeat after me. स्वस्ति प्रजाभिया परिपालयन्तं न्यायेन मार्गेण महिं महिंसा गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु. Now bow your head down once again towards the God, towards your finger. Honor yourself, honor your practice. Open your eyes while blinking. Namaste to everyone. Thank you so much.